The tech is out there.
Hey, my name's Peter Bowman, and I want to thank you for taking the time to learn about our new product, the Chiller Body Cooling Hat Insert. The Cooling Hat Insert is a freezing gel pad that easily fits into most headwear. It's fully designed, tested, and works great. Now you can enjoy instant cooling relief anytime, anywhere. I live in Florida and I love the outdoors, but playing sports like tennis and golf or working in the heat can really get tough on the mind and body. After personally struggling with heat-related issues, I realized I was not alone. Heat can ruin your day and cause serious health issues. I've tried many products that have promised to keep me cool, but they've never delivered, until now. The Cooling Hat Insert is easy to use. Just freeze your insert for about an hour. Then place the insert into your hat and enjoy instant cooling relief. You can quickly recharge your inserts in a cooler. As you cool off with one insert, you always have another one fully chilled, ready to go. We also designed the Cooling Hat Insert with a dual-sided cooling experience that you can control. Our Cool Chill side offers a soft fabric feel and gentle cooling experience. Our Extreme Chill side offers a much higher cooling intensity. Simply wash your inserts with soap and water and they'll last a long time. Think about buying some Cooling Hat Inserts as a gift for the people you know that work and play outdoors in the heat. Also, we hope you share this campaign with friends, family, and coworkers. We are Chiller Body, and when life heats up, we cool you down. Thanks for watching.
All tech all the time.